All right, excellent. We are making great progress here. By now, you should be able to format Excel spreadsheets and make them look professional. Use Excel shortcuts so you can be 3 times faster than average users, and apply different mechanics and functions that allow you to use Excel effectively. We learned about financial modeling and its purpose, so we are almost there. The next step we need to make is to build a complete model from scratch. This exercise would allow us to do 2 things. First, you can apply, in practice, everything you've learned so far. Second, you will see how a complete financial model is built, step by step, with no steps skipped. Sounds great, right? Get excited and dive straight in as the exercise starts here. Our task is to create a P&L with the data we have here. This is an extraction containing 3 columns. The first one shows us the period when the amount was registered. The second one describes the financials that were booked in the company's system. And the third one contains the amount registered. Perfect. Let's copy this source sheet and move it to the right, as we want to keep it intact and use a duplicate sheet for all the changes we will make. That's a very good practice when you are working with source data. The first thing I noticed is that the date format is odd. Excel doesn't recognize these columns as dates. How do I know that? If I try to use the year function and point to one of these cells, I will get a value error. See? But that's okay. How can we solve this issue? The dots we see here aren't a typical date format, are they? Instead, much more often, we have seen the slash symbol used for dates. We need to substitute dot symbols with slash symbols for all rows. Find and replace will be helpful in this situation. I only have to select the whole column and then click Ctrl and H, which is the shortcut for find and replace. We said we would like to substitute dots with slash symbols, right? Okay, let's click Replace All. And immediately, Excel recognizes this is a date format. Now I can easily insert a new column to the right and use the year function to obtain the year when financials were booked. Perfect! We are off to a great start. See you in our next lesson.